Hello and welcome to Humphrey's Kitchen. Today we're making an adobo marinade. A quick and simple recipe that packs a ton of flavor. The spices cinnamon, Mexican oregano, cumin, allspice, and cloves are toasted to impart a deeper, more robust flavor profile. We'll place our spices over medium-low heat, tossing or removing from the heat if they get too hot too quickly. This only takes a few seconds. If you look closely, you can see small whiffs of smoke. Once toasted, we will blend them with our Mexican oregano and a coffee grinder that's used solely for spices until finely ground. This is what it should look like once ground. Next, we'll combine all of our ingredients, starting with our red chili sauce / enchilada sauce we made in our previous video. There will be a link in the description to this video. The red sauce will be our base for this marinade. Then add onion, garlic, chipotle pepper, our ground spices, and pineapple. We normally use fresh pineapple in this recipe, but I wanted to try with a can of pineapple. The results are great either way. Next, add the lime. Then blend for a minute and taste. I added more black pepper and granulated garlic to this batch. The base red chili sauce has these in it, but I felt it needed a little bit more. Lastly, we'll add the Achiote Paste. Once blended a few seconds longer, the marinade is done. Use it for al pastor tacos or marinated chicken or pork. Check out our future videos where we use this marinade. We hope you enjoy this recipe and find new ways to use it. As always, please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, please take care.